Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Minecraft connection timeout issues and errors on your PC. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start button over here and look for View, Network Connections, this one. Click on it, then select your Ethernet connection, right-click, Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, alright? And then select Properties. Over here, make sure you use the following DNS server addresses is selected, and you can type 8888 and then over here 8844 and then click on OK. Next solution would be to go to your Windows Start button again, and then this time we need to look for Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, the Defender Firewall. So this one, click on it. Then go to allow an application or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. All right, click on change settings. Now, if you find any Minecraft or Minecraft launcher, make sure that both private and public are checked and enabled. And also take note if you see any file and if you see any apps and features that is listed as Java or java.exe, absolutely make sure that it is also checked in private and public. If not, you can click on allow another application and search for Java in your Minecraft folder. And once done, you can click on OK and everything should now be working smoothly. Go ahead, try to relaunch Minecraft and then everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.